Hey everyone, I'm Kathleen. If you're new here, I upload quick and easy hair tutorials every single Friday, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any cool hairstyles. In this video, I'm showing you 3 different hair stick styles. I'm using Little Rose hair sticks because they have the most beautiful hair sticks out there, and not to mention they're very durable. So if you want to check out the ones I'm using in this video, plus many more like them, I'll put the link in the description below just in case you want to check them out. But if you don't have any hair sticks, you can totally just use a pencil, a pen, chopsticks even. Anything that resembles a hair stick you can totally just use. So with all that explained, let's head to the video.
The first hairstyle is a simple flipped braid updo. So what you're going to do is take all of your hair and do a single 3-strand braid all the way down until you run out of hair. Once you finish your braid, you're just going to take it and flip it and fold it across your scalp, making sure none of the ends are coming out. Once your braid is in place, you're going to take your first hair stick, grab a piece of hair from your braid going the opposite direction, then flipping it back over across the scalp. So taking a piece of hair from the braid, going the opposite direction, flipping it back over and across the scalp. This just makes sure it's nice and secure and won't come out. And that is it for the first hairstyle. The second hairstyle is a half-bun using hair sticks. So taking a small piece of hair from each side of your head, pulling it to the back of your head, and then twisting it up into a bun. Once you've twisted up all of your hair into a bun and tucked in all of the ends, you're going to grab a hair stick or two, take a piece of hair from the bun going in the opposite direction, and then flipping it back over toward the bun and across the scalp. Now, this thing about grabbing a piece of hair, going the opposite direction, and then flipping it back over again is just to make sure it's extra secure and won't come out. Now, the third and final hairstyle is a Dutch braided bun. So if you're not sure how to do a Dutch braid, I can do a whole video dedicated on showing step-by-step how to do a Dutch braid, but for now, I'm just going to quickly go over the steps for this hairstyle. So what you're going to do is section off 3 equal pieces of hair on top of your head. And once you've got those 3 equal sections, you're going to take one of the side sections, right or left, it doesn't really matter, and then cross it underneath the middle section. And then once you cross that one side section underneath the middle section, you take the other side section and then cross it underneath the middle section. So instead of crossing the sides over the middle, like in a 3-strand braid, you're crossing it underneath the middle. The one other thing that makes a Dutch braid different than a 3-strand braid is right before you take a side section and cross it underneath the middle section, you're going to add a bit more hair to that side section and then cross it underneath the middle section. So I'm going to show it here. I'm going to take my right side section, and then once I got that in one hand, I'm going to add a bit more hair from the rest of my head, add it to that side section, and then cross it underneath the middle section. And you're going to do the exact same thing on the left side, taking your left side section, adding a bit more hair to that left section, and then crossing it underneath the middle. And then you're just continuing back and forth, adding more and more hair to your sections until you've got all of your hair in the braid. once you finish your braid, the last step is just to wrap it around into a bun and tuck in the ends. And as you can guess, you just take your hair stick, grab a bit of hair from the bun, going the opposite direction, flipping it back over and along the scalp. You can just do one hair stick or two like I'm doing here. Doing the same thing, grabbing a bit of hair from the bun, going the opposite direction, flipping it back over and along the scalp. And that is it for the last hairstyle. I hope you found all of these hairstyles helpful and that you'll give one a try. I'll be back next Friday with another easy hair tutorial, and I hope to see you there as well. Bye.